Looking for women's belt buckles for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, and choose your favorite one. Number 1, Real Leather Press Stud Belt. 40mm wide, for jeans and etc., by Ashford. Number 2, No Sharp Clasp, Durable and Smooth Adjuster. You don't have to worry about the broken or sharp clasp, by JasGood. Number 3, Easy Adjustable Belt Size. If it is too big, or too small, adjust it, by sliding the metal rod to get the right size, by Lalafancy. Get your favorite women's belt buckles now. Just click this link below.